Well, hello out there, YouTube. It is October 3rd, and I have a Aldi haul for you. I spent $120, and let's just do the haul. I picked up 2 packages of Hawaiian sweet rolls. I am going to be making ham and cheese sliders for a meal. I also picked up some of these apple chips. These are cinnamon. I thought I would stick these in my work bag and share these with my work friend. I picked up some of the cheddar cheese rice cakes, and then I also picked up some of the sweet potato chips. Let me know in the comments if you have tried them. This is the first time I believe I have ever tried those. I did get a ½ gallon of milk. We're just not going through milk as fast as we used to. I got 2 coffee creamers. I picked up an Italian sweet cream and a French vanilla. I did pick up some Rocky Road ice cream. I have a child that's been asking for that. Been packing lots of lunches. There's 4 of us taking lunches or dinners. So instead of soda and bottles of water, I thought I would try something a little bit different. These make the lunchbox for Mattia to carry a little bit lighter. So I picked him up just some of the original, the Capri Suns. I did get some deli Swiss cheese. These again are for the sliders. I also picked up a package of bacon. I got a package of frozen shrimp to make just some teriyaki shrimp. And then I picked up some of the buffalo style chicken strips. These will be to make some wraps or to go on salads, something a little bit different. I did pick up an extra package of flour tortillas. I did get some hoagie rolls. This is for a recipe I'm also making. They're called mock Philly cheesesteaks. I'll try to remember and link that recipe. If I forget, ask me for it. You use hamburger meat, peppers, onions. So that is on the menu for tonight. We haven't been going through bread super fast, but I did go ahead and get some wheat sandwich bread because it seems like if I don't pick it up, we end up needing it. And then I picked up Ashton some of the everything bagels that she can take to the hospital. They just make a quick breakfast for her, or an overnight snack. I got some classic Caesar dressing and then some ranch for the kiddos. Picked up some olive oil, some teriyaki Asian sauce. Let me just take you guys over here. I did get some French fried onions. I've been eating these on my salads. I picked up this package of pasta. I made a homemade macaroni and cheese for a church potluck, and it was so good. I'm gonna try to recreate that. Hang on, guys, hang on. It wouldn't be a grocery haul without interrupting dogs. And it is October 3rd, and it's supposed to be like one of the hottest days of the year out there. Let's get back over to the groceries. I did get a package of cream cheese for those bagels. This is the ham that I picked up to go on those sliders. Yes, I typically like to get deli ham, but I just wasn't going to go on Walmart or my grocery store for that because then I want to buy other things. So I just picked this up there. Picked up some of the Kraft American cheese. Mattia goes through this like crazy, and he doesn't just eat one slice. I did get some crispy circles, similar to tater tots. I'm making a chicken tater tot casserole as well, and I needed those. I picked up some almond extract. I believe I have this, but it's going to be getting into baking season, and I'm actually thinking I'm making a homemade vanilla cake today. What else do you do when you're down in the dumps? But I don't know, I bake a cake. I picked up some evaporated milk. This goes for my homemade mac and cheese recipe. And then I did get 2 cans of pumpkin. I try to always keep pumpkin. I think I have 1 can in there just for all of the things that we love that have pumpkin in them. And I will never forget, a few years ago, I think I've mentioned this before, we had a shortage of pumpkin in Missouri. So it looks like there's not gonna be a shortage, but anyway, I freak out. I'm like, what is fall without pumpkin? Oh boy. In, sir. Okay. Everyone's happy. All right. I picked up 2 cans of green beans. We just eat these as a side, but these will actually go in that chicken casserole. Picked up some garlic, salt, and onion powder because I was out and I like getting the onion and garlic powder at Aldi. It can be just as cheap at Walmart, but while I was there, picked up some black pepper, a cream of celery soup. In my casserole, or actually I think it was the Philly cheesesteaks, it calls for a can of cheese soup, which they didn't have, so we're just gonna have to wing it. Picked up Mattia Vienna sausages. It's hunting season. He gets to hunt this year, so he asked for those. And then I did pick up this sugar cookie mix. Yes, I'm making a cake as well. When these start coming in at Aldi, they're like $1.30 something a pack, and I just keep those. We also send little boxes of gifts to my grandson, and that's just something cute that you can pop in a gift box that we mail. Picked up some powdered sugar because I am making that cake today. Picked up some taco seasoning just because I made a dish and realized I did not have any last week. Got some beef broth because I'm hoping to do beef stew this weekend. Picked up a bag of flour because I do have flour over there, but again, with the cake, it's going to take just about all I have. I picked up 3 avocados, been making Mattia's lunch, and he's obsessed with bacon and avocado wraps. I did pick up some romaine lettuce, some green onions, 3 colored peppers. These will go in that mock Philly cheesesteak, and then a bag of carrots for the roast. Oh, and I did forget one thing. How could I forget this? It's like the elephant in the room. I had heard that it'll be that time of year stores will be kind of closing out their hams and turkeys to get ready for holidays. And sure enough, these were a really good buy at $1.29 a pound. So this almost 8.5 pound ham was $10. So this is actually going to go in the freezer, and this is what we will make on Christmas Day, if not before. I'm not for sure what we're doing for Thanksgiving. We usually go to my mom's, but we've had a bit of a change in family dynamic, so I'm not for sure what's going to be going on this year. But on Thanksgiving, we actually make a turkey and a ham. And what would be a HaulandCo Aldi haul without some junk? I did pick these up for Mattia. They are the chocolate. Okay, I'm not going to lie. These are for Andrea because he loves Twinkies. Yeah, so anyway, there you go. It is what it is. But these are the Hostess Twinkies. And then for Mattia's lunches, I did get these fruit roll-ups. I am not a fan of fruit snacks or roll-ups, especially he has braces, and I think they're just cavity creators. But they did have these for like $3 something, which is pretty good. They're the smaller ones, but that is perfectly fine. And then that box of Rotini, just because they were on sale for 70 cents a box. Febreze apple air freshener, and then a hand soap for the downstairs bathroom because I'm just about out. And then I also picked up, they had these for $6.50 at our Aldi. It's the Purex laundry detergent, and it's the large size. So I picked that up. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Really enjoy talking to you in the comments. Just struggling to stay alive here. Everything is just moving right along like it does in life. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe. And you guys, when I checked my analytics, I have so many people who watch these videos and you're not subscribed. So help a girl out and please hit that subscribe button. Hope you guys are well, and I will be talking to you soon. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay blessed.